So, guys, excuse me. I was asleep and my phone case just came. I was taking a nap. It is actually 2 minutes from 3 o'clock, and my phone case is here. Let's open it. Gotta put the phone somewhere. I'm gonna dox myself. This is what it came in. I'm gonna cry. This is so. It's so pretty. And I made this. Well, designed it. And of course, as shown on my website and in the photos, it does have this double layer. I will show you guys how it looks, but on the phone, but I'm recording on my phone, so. Wow. Yeah, that's a nice one, baby. Oh, these are gonna sell nicely. I love it. This is amazing. It says you make me go crazy over you from Moonstruck because, of course. I'm very happy with this.